Welcome to the Comm Systems channel, your trusted source for expert insights into communication networks, fiber optics, and advanced security systems. In today's episode, we'll explore how security solutions for large bandwidth applications play a critical role in maintaining service availability by preventing disruptions caused by malicious activities. In a world that depends on constant connectivity, large bandwidth applications like cloud services, video conferencing, and enterprise data transfers must operate without interruption. Even a few minutes of downtime can cost businesses thousands of dollars and erode customer trust. That's where security-driven network design becomes essential. At Comm Systems, we implement multi-layered security solutions designed to protect high-speed data environments. These include firewall systems, intrusion prevention tools, access control mechanisms, and encrypted data transmission, all working together to detect, isolate, and neutralize threats before they affect performance. Malicious activities such as DDoS attacks, malware infections, and unauthorized access attempts can flood a network and disrupt normal operations. By deploying intelligent monitoring and advanced filtering systems, we ensure your network remains resilient, even under attack. Our approach focuses on threat prevention, not just detection, allowing critical business services to stay online, productive, and secure. We also safeguard physical network infrastructure using fiber optic cabling systems that are immune to electromagnetic interference and difficult to tap without detection. This ensures both data integrity and service continuity in large bandwidth environments. When paired with redundant cabling paths and smart routing, your organization gains uninterrupted connectivity and peace of mind even during maintenance or unexpected network events. At Comm Systems, we understand that service availability is the foundation of modern communication. Our goal is to keep your systems running securely, efficiently, and without interruption so you can focus on what truly matters: growing your business. Thank you for tuning in to the Comm Systems channel. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more insights on secure, reliable communication networks. For more information, visit www.dvcsny.com or call 888-501-5885.